I'll be presenting you quiz on current affairs. So let's get started. Name the current president of India, and your time starts now. And yes, you are correct. He is Ram Nath Kovind, who is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current president of India. Now the next question. What is the name of ISRO's new humanoid robot that will go to space next? And yes, the right answer is Vyomitra Transil. The Space Friend is a female-looking, spacefaring humanoid robot being developed by the Indian Space Research Organization to function on board the Gaganyaan, a crewed orbital spacecraft. Which Indian cricketer was recently given the Padma Vibhushan Award? And the correct answer, Sachin Tendulkar, who received the Arjun Award in 1994 for his outstanding sporting achievement, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1997, India's highest sporting honor, and the Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan Awards in 1999 and 2008, respectively, India's fourth and second highest civilian award. Observe the video and identify the event and give the correct date on which it occurred. And your time starts now. And yes, the correct answer is a total lunar eclipse occurred on 26th May 2021. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the Earth's shadows. This can occur only when the sun, Earth, and moon are exactly or very closely aligned with Earth between the other two, which can only happen at a full moon. Which city is known as the Blue City of India? And yes, the correct answer is Jodhpur, the second largest city in the Indian state of Rajasthan. A sea of boxy indigo houses stretches for more than 10 kilometers along the walls of the historic walled old city. Who is the writer of world's first Saintone book, Bye Bye Corona? And yes, the right answer is Dr. Pradeep Srivastav, who is a scientist and a former senior principal scientist of CSIR. And the next question, where is the headquarters of ISRO located? And the correct answer is Bengaluru in India. It operates under the Department of Science, which is directly overseen by the Prime Minister of India. In India, when did the second phase of COVID-19 vaccination start? And the correct answer is on 1st March 2021 that the second phase of vaccination started. That allows all Indians above the age of 60 and Indians between the age of 45 and 59 with comorbidities to be vaccinated. You have to name the current Chief of Indian Navy. Your time starts now. And he is none other than Admiral Karambir Singh, the 24th Navy Chief. He took over from Admiral Sunil Lamba, who retired on 31st May. Famous environmental conservationist Nuklu Foam gets prestigious Whitley Awards 2021. He hails from which state? And the correct answer is Nagaland. Nuklu and his team want to offer alternatives that engage communities in conservation using the Amur Falcon as a flagship. Which state or union territory government has passed a tree transplantation policy? And the correct answer is New Delhi. The tree transplantation policy for development or construction projects will be in addition to the compulsory plantation of trees policy, which is already in place. Which Indian state has launched a digital flood reporting system? And the options are Meghalaya, Assam, Manipur, and Odisha. And the correct answer is Assam, which has become the first Indian state to have a real-time digital flood reporting system. And the next question, which nation has approved Pfizer vaccine for children in the 12 to 15 age group? The options are A. US, B. UK, C. India, and D. France. And the correct answer is United States of America. The United States Food and Drug Administration on May 10, 2021 gave the emergency use approval to Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for the children in the age group of 12 to 15. Which country's population has crossed 1.4 billion? And your options are India, China, US, or UK. So the answer is China. China's population has risen over the past decade by 72 million to 1,411 billion in 2020 as per the National Bureau of Statistics. The next question. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft has begun its 2-year journey back to Earth after collecting samples from which asteroid? Options are Ceres, Juno, Vesta, or Bennu. And the correct answer is Bennu. NASA's OSIRIS-REx spacecraft began its historic 2-year mission back to Earth after collecting samples from asteroid Bennu on May 10, 2021. This is NASA's first asteroid sample return mission, and it carries a generous amount of material collected from the near-Earth asteroid. Who won the Madrid Open title in men's singles? Is it Rafael Nadal, Dominic Thiem, Matteo Berrettini, Alexander Zverev? And the correct answer is it's none other than Alexander Zverev, the German tennis player. And the next question, which among the 4 supercyclones had hit the western coast on May 17th? Give the meaning of the term. A. Amphan, B. Yash, C. Nisargo, and D. Toktai. And the correct answer is Cyclone Toktai. It is the strongest storm to hit the Arabian Sea since 1998. It hit the west coast of India over 4 days from May 14 till it made landfall on May 17. This cyclone was named by Myanmar. The cyclone names are given by countries in the region on a rotational basis. Toktai means gecko, a highly vocal lizard. Who has been appointed as the new CBI chief? Is it Rakesh Asthana or YC Modi or number C Subodh Jaiswal, or is it D SS Deswal? And the correct answer is none other than Subodh Jaiswal, the senior IPS officer. Aam Aadmi Party has launched Doctor Helpline for information on COVID black fungus in which state? Options are Punjab, Delhi, Gujarat, or Haryana. And the correct answer is Delhi. The Aam Aadmi Party launched a Doctor Helpline campaign on May 25, 2021 to deal with COVID-19 and black fungus infections in Punjab. And this is the last question of this quiz program. Which country has successfully landed a spacecraft on Mars recently? And the correct answer is China, which has successfully landed a spacecraft on Mars. The 6-wheeled Zhurong robot was targeting Utopia Planitia, a vast terrain in the planet's northern hemisphere. So that was all that I had for you today. And next day I'll come with another quiz program that will be more interesting. Hope you'll enjoy it. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.